Good morning, my dear. It is my privilege time that you are okay, and welcome you to this session about computer or introduction to computer. Today we are going to look at introduction to computer. Many people have much saying about computer, but this is how it is being explained. A computer is a set of information. A computer is a combination of various devices that work together to convert data into a useful information. That is, we have one CPU or central processing unit, two monitor, a TV-like screen used to convey what is being processed in a CPU. Third, we have keyboard, a tool containing numerical and alphabetical numbers used to combine data in the computer system. 4, we have mouse. A mouse, it is a driven device which is alternative to the keyboard but cannot be used for typing but only opening files in Windows-based programs. It is, what